Thekkady. Thekkady is a town located near to the Periyar Tiger Reserve, a major destination in Kerala, as it is a network of endless hills which is filled with spice gardens, which include coffee, tea. Thekkady offers a wide variety of scenic spots and trekking opportunities. Now let us visit Thekkady. These are the tea plantations throughout Thekkady and towards Thekkady. Now we have reached the Periyar Tiger Reserve, settled on the south area of the Western Ghats, spread across an area of 777 square kilometers of forest land and home to a collection of flora and fauna. Periyar House, the perfect base to get close to the wildlife. Located on the banks of Periyar Lake, Periyar House is a budget-friendly lodge which offers an advantage point for visitors, thus get close to the wildlife in Thekkady. There are monkeys to keep you in company, but they are wild and not too friendly. Therefore, don't keep your fingers outside the window. We had a great meal at the Lavender restaurant in the Periyar House. The staff here were very friendly. ചേട്ടാ പേരെന്താ? പിറാക്ഷി. Okay. Monkeys are all around the Periyar House. Now we are going for boating at the Periyar Lake. It is very close to the Periyar House, thus we can go by walk, but we didn't due to the rain. We can still go for boating while it's raining. The Periyar Lake in Thekkady is a part of the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala. The Periyar Lake was formed during the construction of the dam across the Periyar River in the year 1895. Periyar Lake offers one of its kinds of animal watching, where the tourists can watch the animals very closely sitting comfortably in the boat. Boating is the best way to adore the beauty of the lake and the national park. To see the animals far from you, which cannot be seen by the naked eye, you can rent a binocular. Just ask for it at the ticket counter. It's really worth it. Now we have come to Chellarkovil Waterfalls. Chellarkovil Waterfalls is very near, or I rather say it's near to the Periyar Tiger Reserve, or the natural beauty they possess along with charm of the surrounding rubber plantation. The trees surrounding the area with the cool water falling from a height of 100 feet makes it a picnicker's paradise. So friends, this is Payan Puri, this is a special snack of Kerala. Sweet and inside it has a banana and fried, oily. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and support and like the video if you liked it. Till then, see you in the next video. Peace.